I am a track athlete, but also heavily involved in music. And everyone was super, super confident that I'd be able to do both of those things and that I wouldn't be, asked to always prioritize one over the other or always, everyone was like, no, you can make it work. Like, we want you to be able to make it work here. And that's something I did not hear from other schools. I feel like at a lot of schools you might be asked to pick between all of the things you're passionate about, and not even just your passions. I think you should be able to explore things that you might even have a small interest in, because that's how passions develop and grow. And some environments might ask you to choose, but Cornell didn't ask that of me, and so I was able to develop all those passions. So I think for me that means that I've gotten to be a supported and well-rounded person while I've been here, and that will take me super far, I think. Being an athlete, being a musician, being all the things that I have gotten to be while I'm here has first taught me, how to manage a busy schedule and how to be flexible, how to be adaptable, how to communicate with people. I'm sending emails all the time, coordinating my schedule, and that's just a really important, life skill. But I think I've also learned a lot about confidence and determination and all of those kind of soft skills. I could not have excelled at any of those things without the support and the love that I've felt while I've been here, and I don't take that lightly or take it for granted, and I don't believe it's something that you will stumble into or wander into just anywhere. Those are really special things, and Cornell gave those to me, and I think, really it means that I've just been really blessed during my time here.